So Dynamic Island is the newest iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max feature, which is actually making the headlines. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to get Dynamic Island on any Android device. Let's just dive into the video. So first, this is how the app's interface looks like when you download it, and then when you go into the notifications and then you tap on apps, you are going to see all this turned off. You tap on all, and then it's going to turn the Dynamic Island for all notifications. So if in case you have any application on your phone and then you get a notification, it's actually going to pop up on your screen like how the Dynamic Island works. So let's just try something out and you're going to see it. So I'm just going to tap on this to just try a play, and you're going to see how it works. So when you swipe down like this, you're going to see your notification, but you can just press hold like this and you're going to see the pop-up too. It works perfectly like Dynamic Island, and that is pretty much very cool. So let's try something out which is actually not within the app, and then we are just going to play a song. Let me just lower the volume for it to just see, so you can see how it works. I tap on the song like this, and then you're going to see the song at the place I have my camera. When I press hold like this, you're going to see the song playing right away, and that is pretty much very cool. This is how it works on the Apple devices, and this developer has actually created a very cool thing for us, and that is basically very cool. So you can tap on the pop-up settings, and then you are just going to tap on dimensions, and you're going to choose where you want the Dynamic Island to actually fit. But I'll just edge out to put this on 0 and then drag this through to the end like this for you to just get a lengthy Dynamic Island, and that is pretty much very cool. The next one should actually be on 0. The offset size Y should be on 0, and then offset position Y should be on 0, and then edge rounding should actually be on 40 like how it is, and that is pretty much very cool. In case you don't feel what you have done or you make a mistake, you tap on reset, and it's actually going to reset the settings for you back to default, and that is very cool. Where you have the cap is actually where you are going to purchase the premium part of it, and then just get the premium version of it. But other than that, whatever I've showed you in this video is actually going to help you to just get the Dynamic Island, and the name of the app is called Dynamic Sport. In case you have an Android device, just go into your app store and then search for this app right here, and then you're going to see it right away, and that is pretty much very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video up, and also share with your friends, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.